Hello everyone, I'm Madan Gauri and hello MGs. It's a surprise. 2021 has been crazy. A lot of things have been happening and this is one such thing posting in this channel. But anyway, the thing that I wanted to talk to you today is, as a lot of you might know, I still make all my videos in my phone. So I shoot in my phone, I edit in my phone, I render in my phone, I upload in my phone, and I allow the phone to process my whole video. So in a way, a lot of you who wanted to become YouTubers or who wanted to talk like me to a camera on YouTube might be wondering how exactly to do that, right? Because you see all these big YouTubers having huge setups, studios, everything. Like I'm having one now, but I didn't have it when I started. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to break down 10 little things that you can follow that will help you make videos in your phone, the phone that you have in your hand now, that has great quality and is actually doesn't look like something that was actually shot on phone. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing about shooting your YouTube video in a phone is that you should have a phone. Bad joke. Anyway, having a phone is not a big deal, but having the right phone is very important. When I say right phone, I actually have an iPhone now in my hand. That doesn't mean that you should buy an iPhone to shoot good quality videos on YouTube. Actually, the video that you are watching now, right? The phone, that's an Android one. So it doesn't matter if you have an Apple phone or an Android phone. The important thing is to note that the quality of the camera in that phone is good. So make note of that one. And almost all the phones these days have good cameras, so that's one thing that you have to note. And the second thing is, before you shoot in your phone, always remember to clean your phone camera, which you don't need any special cloth for it as such. Of course you would be needing if you are a professional, but otherwise something as simple as a socks should do. So just clean the cameras before you shoot in your phone, because most of the time we use our phone like this, right? And probably our oil, our sweat, everything gets smudged on the front camera of the phone, and most of you might be using a front camera to shoot for the first time. I know you have been there, and yeah, all of us use our front camera. So always remember to clean your phone camera before you shoot. It's a very simple thing. If you don't believe me, now take your phone out, open the front camera and look the quality of the image, and clean the front camera and take another image and see how good or how better it is. Okay, anyway, the next point is that tripod, because the moment we say shooting in a phone, a lot of you think of tripod. In fact, now I'm using a tripod, but is tripod actually necessary? No, I'll tell you why. Because see, here I'm having a phone, right? And I don't need actually a tripod, because I'll show you an experiment. Let's position it this way. Okay, so what I would do is probably, and what I actually did earlier was to probably keep something like a solid object. For example, here I'm keeping a bottle. You can have a set of books or anything. Turn on the camera, put it in front facing mode, and just keep it like that. This actually captures you way better than you actually think. Just keep it in such a way that it's equal height, or depends on the way you want to be presented in the video. It's very simple thing. You don't actually need a tripod every time you shoot a YouTube video. That's something you have to remember. The next thing is that background. When we talk of background, a lot of people think background should be very posh or something like that, but no. For a YouTube video, the background has to be clean as much as possible. I know, but then again, there is no such rule as that, like this is how it should be. The thing to follow is, when you have a clean background, or when you have a background that is similar, that's not cluttered, you will be focused in the video very well by the audience. As in, the camera will be doing its job, but when you look visually at a video like this, when everything is in orange and when I'm standing here, there is a contrast between me and the background. So that helps you visually to engage with me more. But in case, remember, if I have bunch of other things on this wall, if this has a rack, if this has some shoes, if this side has some shirts, you might not be as much concentrating on me like you do now. So that's one important thing. Have a clean background, and please don't hang your bed sheet in the backdrop. It's not nice. Please don't do that. Okay, of course, if you have a white bed sheet or a black bed sheet, that's cool, but otherwise don't do it. Of course, once we get our camera ready, once we set the frame, and once we set the background ready, the next important thing is to look good or look presentable. in the video, right? So one interesting tidbit, especially for someone who's going to shoot for the first time, get yourself ready or make yourself presentable. Portion of your body that frame is going to cover, as in, if I'm like, for this video that I'm making, I'm actually in my shorts, and 99% of the YouTubers who look so formal in their video are actually wearing shorts. They're just going to dress up the upper half of the body because that's the only thing that's going to be covered in the video. So remember that, make yourself presentable only where the frame is going to cover you. And the next important thing is to look bright in our videos, but that becomes a problem because of today's lifestyle. Let it be the amount of sunlight falling on our face or pollution leaving complete layer of dirt on our face. This makes our skin dull, uneven, and even tanned. To fix this problem, we have Ustra's Detan Kit. Take a small amount of the scrub and apply it on your face in anti-clockwise direction for 3 to 4 minutes and wash it off. Use it once in 3 days for best result. It has walnut granules that ensures effective and deep cleansing. Follow this with Detan cream. Take a coin-sized amount and spread it evenly across your face and neck region. Overnight application of Detan cream gives your skin enough time to recover from effects of sun and other damages. The Japanese yuzu in the cream repairs your skin and makes it bright. Hey, your natural skin tone is not a problem. Ustra's Detan Kit helps in removing dark spots, pimples, and dirt off your skin and makes your face look brighter. Once we are done with the visual parts of the video, the next important thing about YouTube video, which is even more important than the visual part, is the audio part, because audience can't accept a video that is bad, but audience won't accept a video that has bad audio quality. So here are certain tips that you can follow to actually make your video sound better. First important thing is, make sure you use a mic. So mic might seem a bit too much for someone who is starting posting on YouTube, but this is almost a mandatory one. So I would suggest you buy a Boya mic. A Boya mic, Boya is a brand. So the Boya collar mic is actually would cost around some 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. I don't know, I don't really exactly remember the cost, but it's less. So you can buy one mic. And the second important point is, no matter how good your mic is, the room might echo if you are in an empty room. So make sure you're not in an empty room. For example, here, even though I am in a room that is empty, I have made sure the walls are completely, filled with sound absorbers. You need not go this level. This is a bit overboard, but I'm doing this because this is my profession. But if you are someone who's just starting, I would suggest you probably have a room that has a lot of things. I will show you something that most of you might not have seen. For example, when I started making videos in this room, I had a lot of boxes like this. So basically, these are also sound absorbers in a way. So instead of having all these sound absorbers, earlier I used to have just these boxes and they were pretty much doing a good job. So I would suggest you be in a room that has a lot of things and a clean wall. You can use the clean wall as the background, and when there are a lot of things, the echo will definitely be less. And the next important thing is lighting. Here you can see me very clearly because I have a studio light, but if you are someone who is going to just start a YouTube channel, chances of you having a studio light are very less. So what you can probably do is use natural light. I'll tell you something interesting. Almost all our phone cameras, almost all our mobile cameras are made for natural light. And when I say natural light, I mean sunlight. So if you are in a room that has sunlight, use it to the maximum. If you have a window, just stand opposite to that with a clean background so that the camera uses the sunlight to focus you, and that is actually the best light that you can possibly give for your phone. The last important thing is editing. And for editing, a lot of you might think that you need experienced editors to edit your video, but the truth is no. All you need is yourself and your hands and your phone. There are some interesting apps like KineMaster, InShots that are pretty much famous. Premiere Pro is also available on phone, but the only condition is, or the only catch is, that they are all paid applications. For most of the features, you have to pay to get these features to have a proper edit in your phone. But it's okay, you can spend probably 500 to 1,000 rupees a year for an editing suite. So that's actually very less compared to the productivity they are actually giving you. If you are not having this application but still you have a YouTube channel, please install YouTube Studio. It is an application that is provided by YouTube for creators. Again, you need not have a computer to check all your stats or how your video is performing. YouTube Studio will help you do exactly that, and it's a very easy app to use. So install that in your phone. So these are probably 10 simple things that you can follow to edit, make good video, upload, and become a YouTuber just using your phone. So what do you think should be the next thing that we talk about in this channel? Leave your suggestions in the comments. I'm waiting for your suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. And before that, Remember Ustra, if you want to buy Ustra, use Madan20 in their website, or you can also buy from Amazon. The links are provided in the description below. Cheers.